This week, Enhanced Sense Living will cover events in your life that change you forever and how to react in the best way. Certain events in your life, which could be big or small, have a very specific effect on you. It's always positive and always makes you more than you were before. So what is so special about these events, and what is the key ingredient? Well, they all involve people who are important to you, and the key is what they are giving you. In these events, they are giving you something that we all want, and that is their approval. Their approval is very powerful, and it does an important thing to you. In a small or sometimes a big way, it changes who you are. Who you are is made up of many elements, but the part that is most affected here is how meaningful you think your life is. And when I say life, I don't mean the things that are happening in your life, I mean your existence in the world. This includes how you feel about yourself, what your goals are, and what you want out of life. Feeling like you are more meaningful causes some other things to happen. You feel more motivated, you feel better about where you are going in your life, and you want a better future. And then there are certain events in your life that have another very specific effect on you. This effect is not positive and makes you less than you were before. But let's look at these events and understand them better, because these events are also very powerful and they also do a very important thing to you. Again, in a small or sometimes a big way, they change who you are. And as before, the part of you that is most affected here is how meaningful you think your life is. Feeling like you are less meaningful also causes some other things to happen. You feel less motivated. You don't know where you are going in your life. And you don't know what you want in the future. You feel lost. But this is also very important for your life. It's a very powerful place to be, a place full of potential, and I'll explain why. The most important thing about this place is that you don't have to be the same person you were when you entered. It's almost like you're a blank canvas. So what should you do next? Well, next comes the hard part. It's the part where you rebuild yourself. So what are the steps to rebuilding yourself in the way that benefits you the most? The first step is to declutter your life. And this can be quite jarring, but it's necessary to get rid of the non-essential things. Start with the things that you don't really need to do. These are the things that take up small chunks of your time all over your life, but when added up equals a lot of your time. Look especially hard at the things that you do that you've always done, because you're doing some of these things out of habit and your life would be better without them. Next, look at all of the people who are in your life and consciously put them into groups: family, friends, and work. Then identify which people give you the most trouble and stress. In a lot of cases, these people are the people close to you, but identifying them helps you to be ready to deal with them and to react to them in the best way. And finally, you need to change the way you think. You need a new perspective, which includes looking at all of the things you are experiencing as catalysts to change you into who you need to be. This cycle of renewing yourself and starting over is an important process that needs to be done. It's healthy for you and your life, and it makes you more than you were before. For more videos, please visit my channel, and if you've subscribed already, I'd like to say a huge thank you for all your support. There'll be a new video next week, so until then, be sensitive to yourself and the people around you, and I'll see you soon.